Hey guys, welcome to my opportunity. This is the tutorial part where I'm going to show you how to utilize this platform to get more traffic to your affiliate offer or your business products or services. So it's called Udimi. It's a solo ad platform where solo ad vendors will send people to your affiliate offer, which are targeted leads, targeted traffic. All people interested in making money online or starting an online business, and so they'll send the visitors to your capture page, your website, for a fee. So I'm going to show you how you do it. So what you want to do is you want to come here first where it says add text, and you want to create an email. As you can see right here, I created two already. You just click new swipe. For this one right here, some vendors will do the ad for you. They will send out the email for you, and but for this one, this is if you want to make the email yourself. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I've never used this before, but I'm pretty sure there are some vendors out there that do allow for you to send them your affiliate link to, and they will send out the email to their list. And a lot of these vendors have thousands of people to their list, so that's why they're able to do this. So anyways, so what you want to do is you want to click email solo ad, and then once you do all that, you want to click right here where it says solo deals. Anyone that you see that it says promoted is anyone that you see where it says promoted is usually someone who's gotten a lot of good reviews. So you just click on one of these people here, and they have a little description of themselves here, and you can actually read actual people who have gotten results and their reviews of this person. So you want to basically scroll all the way down. This guy, he will do for 1,000 visitors for $393. If you can't afford that, you just bring it down to what you can afford. For 50 visitors, he'll do $23. For 75, 33, 125, 52, and so on. I like to try different people. I've used this guy before. He is pretty good. I have gotten good results for him and a few sales into my business. But like I said before, the more traffic you have, the better your chances are of making some online sales and affiliate commissions. So that's how you do it, pretty much. And I want to show you real quick the affiliate side of things. Right here, so let's say you you sign up under me, and I will earn 15% on all solo orders from your referrals. So if you buy $100 solo ad, I'll get 15% in commissions from for whatever you buy. So I can then use that money towards more solo ads. So you'll accrue money, and then like if you go right here, this is where you'll find how much you've earned right here. So so I have used money before from commissions I've gotten from people. So that way, if you want to get more visitors to your thing, you can use some of the money in here. Plus, you can pay the difference depending on how much you spend. And also, all your referrals get a $5 discount. So let's say you sign up under me, you'll get a $5 discount as well. So that this is just a quick video just to show you what it's all about. Like I said before, the more traffic that you have coming to your sales page, your sales funnel, whatever it is you're promoting, the better your chances are of getting leads and sales. I had one guy come in and sign up under me in a business opportunity that I promote, and he actually opted in to my page about 2 months ago. So he finally made the decision to join me. So just because they don't sign up right away doesn't mean they won't. So that's all for this tutorial. If you are interested, there will be a sign up button underneath this video. I hope you will join me in this great opportunity, and I wish you the very best of success in your business, and I hope you have a very successful rest of this year and in the future. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.